The number one reason developers seek offsite construction is the challenges in the marketplace today with traditional stick-frame construction. Projects are dragging on too long, costs are rising faster than rent and wage growth, and this presents a huge problem to the pro forma of development projects.
Modular is a little different. It's a different process. It takes a lot of scopes of work, kind of combines them into a single source responsibility. And when they really start to understand it more deeply, they look at it and it really does provide an option to deliver their project that reduces the risk. There's more consistency and a better chance of success.
The speed of construction is definitely the number one factor in why developers seek modular construction. We've proven with our projects that we are delivering projects from first shovel in ground to certificate of occupancy and heads in beds, as we like to say, significantly faster than traditional construction. Depending on the project, typically 30 to 50% faster than a stick-built construction project. The speed is really a result of two primary factors. One is concurrent construction. While site demolition, utilities, foundation, podium construction is happening on the project site, we're simultaneously building modules and finishing kitchens and bathrooms and even doing punch list on units. But the second factor is the labor efficiency we can achieve in a factory environment. We're not hauling bunks of lumber up 5 stories, we're not using ladders, we're not working in the elements.
And I'll make a comparison. On a traditional approach, you're bringing in a mechanical contractor or maybe an electrical contractor. You're bringing in all these different subcontractor resources. So you've got a bunch of different stakeholders trying to take bits and pieces together and create the best value. On a modular, the modular manufacturer has all of that in-house to drive all of those, and we understand how they all work together, whether it's framing, mechanical, and so forth. So we can really drive the efficiency, the means and methods of the production versus in the field where it's very fragmented.
I think there's some other really important benefits that are central to our mission and our goal, but also to many developers. And one is safety. The safety we can achieve in a plant environment where everyone's working on the ground and utilizing ladders nearly as much, we can create a much safer workplace from a fall protection standpoint and other safety incidents. And then the other big factor that's important to us and our clients is ESG initiatives. We're building a tighter envelope, and so more efficient for long-term operating cost. Second environmental aspect is the reduction of waste. We can reduce waste in a factory environment much more efficiently than can be done in the field. In what we do waste, we can more easily recycle. Another important aspect of the environmental savings in a modular project is the reduction in truck miles. And we do that by reducing a step in the supply chain. So the total carbon use of a project isn't just in one aspect. There's many aspects of modular construction that lead to a more environmentally sustainable product. There's a perception of it being lower quality that I think the industry is changing, and we specifically are changing with our projects. There's no question that we are building a higher quality product in our plant than what can be done in the field. We're working on ergonomic stations where materials are kitted and brought right to their station, and we're working t-shirts year-round. It's much easier to create a culture of quality when we're in a climate-controlled and clean facility every day as opposed to a job site. I encourage people to see our projects because the proof is in the result. When folks tour our projects, they can see the quality with their own 2 eyes, and our projects speak for themselves.